Glasgow, the Ovo Hydro. I feel like you guys are ready. Are you guys ready? The drivers are ready. I'm ready. Alex Holcomb's ready. The track crew's ready. I think it's time to count down to the 4 most famous words in motorsports, and I want you guys to count down with me, Glasgow. Let's do this from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drivers, start your engine!
Right, let's get on the road to the Champions Cup. The first round is Wheelies.
Oh yes, it's Wheelies, and I'll explain what the judges are looking for with the messages on the big screen. Now, the trucks need to point their noses to the sky as the back wheels drag across the roof of the crush cars. The judges are looking for height, but they're also looking for distance. They're up in the stands. We don't know where they are, but they have all the power. There's 30 points on the line. Who'll take home the glory in round 1? Wheelies.
First up, it's Alison Patrick in Demo Derby.
The first score of the competition's a good one. The judges deliberating, and they've said 26 for Demo Derby.
26 for Demo Derby. Next up, Nick Minguez in Boom Shaker.
I don't know about you guys, Glasgow, but that looked pretty cool to me. My goodness, straight up in the air, dragging those wheels across the crush cars. The judges loved it. Your new leader, Boom Shaker, with 27.
It's a fan favourite, so make some noise for Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark. Up next, for the first time here in Glasgow.
Yeah, time and time again, it's always such a warm reception, so thank you to you guys. Also, and most importantly, every single one of you, every single one of you throughout this whole arena for coming out for Hotwheels Monster Trucks Live Glow Party!
blue pickup truck that started it all. The original stuff. Here comes the Crush. It's the first ever Bigfoot and Hot Wheels collaboration monster truck. Please welcome Rebecca Schnell driving Bigfoot. It's time for the ruthless Joker. Strength and menace with intimidation at every turn. His catchphrase, you've got guts. Let's give it up for Derek Snell in Glasgow. Next up is an SUV, the smashing ultimate vehicle that likes to live fast and crush hard. So make some noise for Alex and Patrick driving Demo Derby. It's a hot rod and the rebellious bad boy, created from mismatched parts from an auto boneyard. The crush attack of the Skull Smackdown. It's time to crush and smash. It's Dick Minguez driving Ball Shaker. So tough, he avoided extinction with the crush attack of Die.
Let's go! Make it out! Come on! Let's go! Rock! Let's go! Rock! This party, dance everybody, make it out! In this party, don't stop, move your body! Rock! This party, dance everybody, make it out! In this party! Do you know what, Glasgow? We're going to show the size and scale of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live.